Okay, students. Okay, I will zoom in. So today we will continue with the explanation part, chapter number 3 of your Code Vidya. Is it visible to everyone and audible? Any issues, anyone? Show me thumbs down. Okay. So let's start. Presentation. What is the meaning of presentation? A collection of slides that contain and topic means right now you are taking online classes, okay, and every teacher, every faculty is teaching you with the help of presentation. So what is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides related to an topic. Dhruv, what you are eating during class? You are not allowed to eat anything better during your live class. Sit properly and concentrate on your live class. And students, switch on your cameras. The one whose camera is switched off, I will mark them absent in my class. So if you are present, switch on your camera, sit properly. Okay? I will mark absent if your camera is off. So switch on everyone, your cameras. Okay. So next is animation. Animation क्या है? Animation is appearance or illusion like one any object is moving. Mean एक illusion होता है कि कोई object move कर रहा है. That is known as animation. Next slide. A single page of presentation. जैसे हमारे पास एक बुक होती है, बुक में अगर एक पेज आप लेते तो उसको हम पेज बोलते हैं, बट प्रेजेंटेशन में अगर आप एक पेज को क्या बोलते हैं? Slide. Next, theme. A predefined combination of color, fonts, effects that can be applied to a presentation. Now, what is the meaning of theme? If you want to apply some color, some background images, anything in your presentation, that you can do with the help of theme. As you have also applied many theme in your fonts also, like dark theme, light theme. So, all those themes we can apply it in presentation also. Next, so these were some basic definition, okay, and now what we required, if you want to learn practical in this chapter, for that we required Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the application we are going to work upon. In last chapter we have worked upon Microsoft Word, and in this chapter we will learn how to work in Microsoft PowerPoint. And then we must have some internet connection if you want to download any images or themes online, and then you require your ID. Okay, so these are some prerequisites, means some requirement जो आपको start करें. Now after learning this chapter, what will be the outcome? So after completion of the chapter, student will be able to understand concept of Microsoft PowerPoint, and you all will be able to design a presentation on any topic. Okay, so this is the warm up activity. Everyone open your book. Students, everyone open your book. I will tell you the page number. Page number 50. Okay, so this is the warm up activity to refresh your mind. Okay, so first you have to look for, you need to find words which are given below. So first word is given. Okay, Pratishtha, I will send the PDF. Okay, first point is given MS PowerPoint. So as you can see, this one here only in first one. MS PowerPoint. Okay, next activity, next word is computer. Computer, I can see who will tell in which row we are having computer word. Send me answer in chat box, students. Try to find out the word computer. I can see in third row computer. Okay, next is slide. Try to find out fast where is slide. Who will tell me? Dhruv is saying 33333. What is the meaning of this 3333? You have to tell me the row number, like this is your first row, second row, third row, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. And you have to tell me in which row slide word is written. So you can see in vertical column, here is slide. Okay? Yes, next is animation. Now, this is animation in 6th row. Next, presentation. In last row, 8th number, presentation is here. Next, we are having screen. So, screen is in 7th row. Here is screen. Next, tab. Tab I can find. Where is tab? Try to find out, students, with me. Anyone able to find tab? TAB tab. Write your answer. Pratishtha is saying in 8. Very good, Pratishtha. So here is tab. Next is title bar. I can see title bar. Now tell me in which row title bar is there? It's in 7th row. This one, title bar. Okay. So this is the activity we have completed. Everyone mark your answer in your book also. Okay. So now I will save this picture also. Okay, so now we will continue with the reading part. So first is introduction. So what is presentation? A presentation tool is a software application that let us create presentations. A presentation is a systematic process of presenting information on a topic to an audience. Means if you want to present something or anything to the audience, okay, so with the help of presentation we can present our topic. In this chapter, you will learn to create presentation using a popular presentation software, and software name is Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the software we are going to work upon, Microsoft PowerPoint. Next, it is also known as MS PowerPoint or PowerPoint. Okay. So we are having three names for this application: Microsoft PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint, or only PowerPoint. Now, this is the information. PowerPoint is originally called Presenter. Is it clear to everyone? Very interesting topic, and you will learn a lot, and then when you will able to create presentation, it will be fun for you. Okay. So next we are having MS PowerPoint. So this is the definition. PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows us to create presentation including animation and images and narration and videos. It was developed by Microsoft mainly to create presentation. So anywhere you will see Microsoft, it means that is developed by Microsoft. So you must have heard about Microsoft Office. Have you heard about Microsoft Office? Anyone? Yes, raise your hands or show me thumbs up if you have heard about Microsoft Office. So in MS Office, this is a full package of different application. MS stands for Microsoft. Okay, and in MS Office we are having different application which we use on routine basis, daily basis. Okay, we have learned MS Word, that is also a part of MS Office. Now we are learning MS PowerPoint, that is also a part of Office. Similarly, you will learn in upcoming classes or upcoming chapters, that is MS Excel. Okay, then we are having MS Access for database. So in this way, we are having different application or different softwares within a single software application, that is MS Office, and all these applications are developed by Microsoft only. Okay. Okay, so next, this was developed by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin. So you have to remember this name. During your objective question or weekly test, I can ask this kind of question. Tell me the another name for Microsoft Wine, or who has developed this PowerPoint, and tell me the name of developers Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin. Okay. Next, starting MS PowerPoint. Now, practical part is start. Means if you want to create a presentation in your system, then how you can do that? Means how you can open that software. Okay, so these things we are going to learn now. So first of all, assume you have PowerPoint installed in your computer. So first of all, installation of software is mandatory if you want to work upon PowerPoint. So students who are having laptop or PC at your home, so by default in 99% cases you will be able to find Microsoft Office in your system. Then just click on that Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office you will be able to find MS PowerPoint. This is a one way, or with the help of these steps we can also open PowerPoint software. First step, click on Start button. Start typing the name of application, that is PowerPoint. Then search will open automatically as you type. In the search result, click the PowerPoint to start it. The PowerPoint application will be open. Click on the blank presentation to open new window. So these are the basic steps which you have to follow for opening any kind of application in your system. So if you want to open Word, same step will be there. Only application name will be changed. If you want to open Notepad, same step will be. Means if you want to open anything in your computer, these are the basic steps you have to follow. Click on Start, type in search button, then according to search result will be there. Okay, then just click on that the application which you are looking for. So these are the basic steps. So I will just show you the steps with the help of practical. Okay, so here is the icon. This is called window icon. Okay, so we have to click on this start button or window icon. Then you will be able to find this search bar. Okay, so when you will click on search bar, we have to write here PowerPoint. So as I have write power, so all the options related to power I can see here, but we want to open PowerPoint, so we have to click on PowerPoint. So as soon as I will click on PowerPoint, this window will be open in front of you. Okay, and one more step is there. When this window will be open, you have to click on blank presentation. Means आपको starting में जो slide चाहिए वो blank चाहिए, and you want to create your new presentation. So in this way, we can open Microsoft PowerPoint in your system. Is it clear to everyone how you can open PowerPoint in your system? Show me thumbs up, everyone. So, very good. Where are other students? Are they sleeping? Divyanshi, Monish, Pooja, Ritika, Sampurn, Akshat, Dipesh. Switch on your cameras. I told you I will mark absent. You have to switch on your camera if you want to continue your live class. If you want to be present in your Code Vidya class, first condition, switch on your camera. Otherwise, I will mark absent to them. Okay? So, in this way, you can open your presentation in your computer. Now, tell me if you are having any kinds of doubt till here. Any doubts, anyone? So same picture you can see in your book part also, page number 51. As you have clicked on window button, blank presentation, a new window will be open, and that window will be like this picture only available in your book, page number 51. As students who are not having book, I will show you from here. Okay, so this kind of window will be open. Whenever you will click on blank presentation, this window will be open. And there are different options available. So first option we are having file tab. As you know, in Word, we are also having file tab. And file tab we used for creating new file, for creating already existing file, or if we want to save created file, then we have to click on file tab. So home, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close. So all these options are available under file tab. Okay. Next we are having, as you can see in your book, quick access toolbar. So whatever you are able to see in orange color here on the top, okay, this bar. I will mark this thing if I will be able to. This one. Okay, so this one is your quick access toolbar. Okay, first one where we are having 4 or 5 icon, that is your quick access toolbar. Next we are having title bar. So this is the title. By default it will be presentation PowerPoint. So if you will save this presentation with any other name, then that presentation will be changed to, your title will be changed to that name with which you have saved your presentation. Okay, next we are having ribbon. So this is your ribbon. This complete is called ribbon. Okay, this complete line is called as ribbon. Next we are having placeholder or slide panel. So placeholder means where you are going to place any object, any content, that is known as placeholder. Okay, this is your placeholder. Next we are having slide panel. So this is your slide panel. Okay, next we are having notes panel. So this is your notes panel. As you can see here, notes panel. Then at last we are having slide view and zoom control. So from here we can do slide view or we can zoom out, zoom in from here. So all these options are available. Okay. Any doubts, anyone? So next we will continue tomorrow.